We start our walkthrough today at the Reserve, a family-friendly section of Paradisus Varadero. Please turn on closed captions for a better video experience. We continue now with a walk through the Royal Service area, the adult-only section of Paradisus Varadero. I will include a list of service features for the Reserve and Royal Service in the description below this video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future videos. Thank you.